Bonjour tout le monde. Hi everyone. Today in this video, we are going to see other negative forms in French. In our previous video, we have covered how to make simple negation, that is na and pa. But in this video, we are going to cover how to say never, nothing, nobody. So let's see. The first one is no longer. How to say no longer? Suppose you need to say I no longer eat tomato. So you use this form na plus. Ne plus means no longer. Je ne mange plus les tomates. I no longer eat tomatoes. Je ne mange plus les tomates. Ne et plus come before and after the verb. So here we are not using pa because no longer is ne plus. How to say he no longer stay here? We'll say this way, il ne reste plus ici. Il ne reste plus ici means he no longer stay here. Nothing. How to say nothing? Ne rien. I know nothing. Je ne sais rien. Je sais rien. You can say je sais rien or je ne sais rien. I know nothing. Rien is nothing. I'm not doing anything special. Je ne fais rien de spécial. Je ne fais rien de spécial. I did nothing today. So it's a passé composé. Je n'ai rien fait aujourd'hui. Je n'ai rien fait aujourd'hui. In passé composé, as we know, we put negation before and after the auxiliary verb. Here, auxiliary verb is avoir, that is a. So we put na and ria before and after the verb. Fait is the past participle of faire verb. So I did nothing today. Je n'ai rien fait aujourd'hui. Never. Never is na jamais. Na jamais. She never finished her job on time. Elle n'a jamais fini son travail à temps. Elle n'a jamais fini son travail à temps. This is passé composé. You never come on time. Tu ne viens jamais à l'heure. Tu ne viens jamais à l'heure. So it's like never, na, jamais. Nobody, no person. No one is interested in your ideas. Means nobody is interested in your ideas. So how to say this one? It's a negation. So you say personne n'est intéressé par vous aider. When I was sick, nobody came to meet me. Quand j'étais malade, personne n'est venu me voir. It's a passé composé. We put ne here. That is past participle of the verb a, être. And when you use the past participle of the verb, a is the auxiliary verb. Okay. Here, next one is nobody knows the truth. Personne ne connaît la vérité. Personne ne connaît la vérité. Vérité means truth. Not yet. How to say not yet? Ne pas encore. They have not yet finished the work. Ils n'ont pas encore fini le travail. Ils n'ont pas encore fini le travail. It's passé composé. He has not booked train ticket for all of us yet. Il n'a pas encore réservé de billet de train pour nous tous. Not at all. How to say not at all? Ne pas du tout. Ne pas du tout. I'm not hungry at all. Je n'ai pas du tout faim. Je n'ai pas du tout faim. Pas du tout. Now we'll talk about none. So it has two forms, feminine and masculine. Na aucun in case of masculine. In case of feminine, aucun. We put extra e in case of feminine. I have no idea whether she will come or not. Je n'ai aucune idée s'elle viendra ou non. I have no problem with you. Je n'ai aucun problème avec toi. Je n'ai aucun problème avec toi. It's masculine. Now we'll talk about only. For only, we put ne and que. So it's a negation, ne and que. So if you're saying, I only like her cat. So je n'aime que son chat. Je n'aime que son chat. So it's like na and ka come before and after the verb. It's a little bit tricky. Only we use na and ka. Only. Yes. She only eats fruit. So elle ne mange que des fruits. Elle ne mange que des fruits. Let's take another example. If you say they are vegetarian, they only eat eggs. So how will you say? Ils sont végétariens, ils ne mangent que des œufs. So they only eat eggs. So na and ka come here for only. Dezu is egg. He is only 5 years old. Il n'a que 5 ans. Il n'a que 5 ans. Next one is neither nor. Neither nor. The rule is na, ni, ni. I neither speak French nor English. How to say this? Je ne parle ni français ni anglais. Je ne parle ni français ni anglais. Ne come before the verb. Verb is here parler. Ne. Français and anglais. Before that, ni come. Ni français ni anglais. I neither speak French nor English. I neither eat fish nor egg. It's like je ne mange ni poisson ni œuf. Je ne mange ni poisson. Poisson means fish. Ni œuf means egg. So it's like neither nor. Ne, ni, ni. Let's see this one. Some examples are there. So how to do this exercise? This one is like some negative expression. So based on that, we'll do some exercise like this one. So first, let's see the rule, then we'll do the exercise. Déjà, suppose déjà is given already, how to convert in negative expression. So first one is déjà. Déjà means already. So you convert is as not yet. Not yet is n'a pas encore. N'a pas encore. Suppose someone is given quelqu'un. Quelqu'un, how to convert in negative expression? Nobody, person na. So quelqu'un converted as nobody, that is person na. And neither nor, that is na, ni, ni. And still is encore. How to convert in negative sentence? Na plus, no more. So still, negation is no more. Always, toujours. Always is toujours. How to convert in negative sentence? Na jamais, never. Na jamais. So déjà converted in negative form is as ne pas encore. Quelqu'un as person na. Ne, ni, ni. That is neither nor. Encore converted as ne plus and toujours converted as ne jamais. Let's see this exercise. First one, if you're saying, I always eat fish with wine. Okay, so this one is, I always eat fish with wine. How to say? Je mange toujours du poisson avec du vin. Always converted as never. So we'll say this one. Je ne mange jamais de poisson avec du vin. Je ne mange jamais de poisson avec du vin. Why we put here the, why du here? Because in case of partitive article, it converted as the in negative sentence, the. Okay, so this one is, she is buying something at the market. Elle achète quelque chose en marché. So something converted as nothing or anything. So we put here negation. Elle n'achète rien au marché. She does not buy anything at the market. Let's see third example. My daughter loves dark chocolate and orange juice. Ma fille aime le chocolat noir et le jus d'orange. But negative is neither or nor. So it's like ma fille n'aime ni le chocolat noir ni le jus d'orange. So na come before the verb and ni le chocolat ni le jus d'orange. Next one is, his friends are already gone. So how to say this one? His friends are already. Already means déjà. So ses amis sont déjà partis. Already, the negation is not yet. So we say his friends have not yet left. Ses amis ne sont pas encore partis. Encore. Ne encore. Ne pas encore is a negation. And take a second. Let's talk about this one. Yeah. So we were talking about this one. Maria sometimes goes to the swimming pool. How to say this one? Maria va parfois à la piscine. Parfois is sometime. How to convert in negative sentence? Never. Maria ne va jamais à la piscine. Maria ne va jamais à la piscine. So you can see we are converted always as never, toujours as jamais, quelque chose as na, rien, and this one is Déjà converted as in negative sentence, n'a pas encore, parfois as jamais. Let's see another example. Another example, like how to say this one. I think he's already 60 years old. Je pense qu'il a déjà 60 ans. I think he's not yet 60 years old. Je pense qu'il n'a pas encore 60 ans. So negation is not yet. N'a pas encore. Okay, everyone likes their ideas. So this one, tout le monde a aimé son idée. Tout le monde a aimé son idée. Negation is no one liked his idea. Personne n'a aimé son idée. So personne n'a means no one, nobody. Tout le monde is everyone. Negation is nobody. These winter holidays, I will go to France and Italy. So, ces vacances d'hiver, j'irai en France et en Italie. Negation is this one. Ces vacances d'hiver, je n'irai ni en France ni en Italie. Okay, so negation is like this one. I still like to read novels before go to the bed. So, how to say? J'aime encore lire des romans avant de me coucher. Negation is I no longer. So, je n'aime plus lire de romans avant de me coucher. So, ne plus is like no longer. I no longer like to read novels before bed. Je n'aime plus lire. Lire means to read. The roman means novels. Avant means before de me coucher, before go to the bed. She always likes to study. Elle a toujours aimé étudier. So, toujours converted as in negation, n'a jamais. Elle n'a jamais aimé étudier. She never likes to study. Okay, so this is about this chapter. Have a nice day.